Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best 110-volt MIG welders that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, we've got something here for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the 110V MIG Welder, a 130A flux core machine designed for beginners and small-scale projects. This is an excellent choice for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts due to its simple controls and lightweight design. The Synergic control system adjusts voltage and wire feed speed automatically based on the amperage, which makes it incredibly user-friendly. Additionally, the 110V welder comes equipped with overload and overheating protection, ensuring safety while you work. The design is compact and portable, weighing just 8.6 pounds, making it one of the lightest welders on our list. The build quality is solid for its size, and the included accessories, such as the MIG torch, ground clamp, and 1 pound of flux core wire, mean you can get started straight out of the box. However, its lower amperage output means it's best suited for thin materials, handling mild steel plates up to 3 millimeters thick. As for performance, while it lacks the versatility of more advanced models, it's perfect for home repairs, small projects, and even beginner-level practice. The 110V's affordability and ease of use make it a great entry-level option, but experienced welders may find the lack of advanced features limiting. Overall, this is a no-frills welder that gets the job done for light applications. At number 4, we have the Gasless 140A MIG Welder, a versatile 3-in-1 machine that combines flux MIG, arc, and lift TIG welding processes. This model delivers a stable welding arc and smooth operation, making it suitable for both beginners and intermediate welders. Its Synergic control allows for automatic adjustments to voltage and wire speed, while manual mode gives experienced users greater flexibility. The welder features a robust, portable design, weighing in at 14.17 pounds. Its wide voltage design ensures consistent performance even with voltage fluctuations, and the machine is equipped with multiple safety protections, including overheating and overcurrent safeguards, capable of handling 0.03 inches and 0.035 inches flux core wire. This machine can weld mild steel and even stainless steel with an optional TIG torch. While the Gasless 140A is a solid performer, it ranks lower due to its slightly higher weight and less compact design compared to competitors. It's an excellent choice for outdoor repairs, farm work, or small to medium-sized projects. However, the lack of a TIG torch in the package means an additional investment if you want full functionality. Taking the number 3 spot is the Ace Welder 140A Gasless Flux Core MIG Welder, a highly portable 3-in-1 machine that combines MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding capabilities. This welder is designed to meet the needs of home users, DIY enthusiasts, and those tackling outdoor repairs. It offers a maximum output of 140A, enabling it to weld mild steel up to 4 millimeters thick. The welder also features both Synergic and manual control modes, making it accessible to beginners while still providing flexibility for experienced users. The Ace Welder stands out for its lightweight design, weighing only 9 pounds, making it the most portable option on this list. The package includes a comprehensive set of accessories, such as a MIG torch, electrode holder, and even 0.5 kilograms of flux core wire to get you started right away. Safety is also a priority, with overload and overheating protection systems built in. While this welder is an excellent choice for portability and versatility, its lower power output compared to some competitors may limit its use for heavier-duty projects. Still, its affordability, ease of use, and compact design make it ideal for anyone in need of a reliable welder for moderate applications. Our runner-up is the Gasless 145A MIG Welder. This 3-in-1 unit offers flux MIG, lift TIG, and arc welding processes, making it one of the most versatile models on the market. Its advanced technology includes a wide voltage design that can handle fluctuations without compromising performance. The dynamic arc control delivers a stable welding experience with minimal spatter, resulting in cleaner welds and higher efficiency. The welder features a sleek design with a large LCD screen for intuitive operation. Weighing just over 15 pounds, it's portable without sacrificing durability. This machine is capable of handling mild steel and stainless steel, and it supports both 0.03 and 0.035 flux core wire. It also performs well in extreme temperatures, making it suitable for outdoor and aerial work. The GZ 145A earns high marks for its combination of power and versatility and advanced features. However, it's slightly more expensive than some competitors, and the TIG torch is not included, which may be a drawback for some users. Nevertheless, it's an excellent choice for professionals and serious hobbyists who need a reliable, multifunctional welding machine. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Welder 135 amp MIG welder. This 3-in-1 machine supports Flux MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding, making it one of the most versatile options on the market. With a robust 135 amp output, it can handle mild steel up to 2/5 inch thick. The synergic control system adjusts voltage and wire feed speed automatically, and the digital LED display provides real-time feedback, ensuring precise control. What sets the Welder apart is its portability and user-friendly design. Weighing just 11.4 pounds, it's easy to transport, and the included E71 TGS flux core wire allows for all-position welding right out of the box. Safety features like overcurrent, overload, and overheating protection ensure both the user and the machine are well protected. Whether you're a beginner looking for an intuitive setup or a professional seeking a reliable, multifunctional welder, this machine has you covered. The Welder 135 amp welder offers exceptional performance, user experience, and value. Its versatility and advanced features make it the best choice for anyone looking for a high-quality welder that delivers consistent results across a variety of applications. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.